Everyone, my name is Heart AJ Quijano, and I am the one who will discuss about Z-scores. A Z-score, a score or standardized score is a numerical measure of how far an individual score is away from the mean score within a normal distribution. So we can identify this individual score if the individual score is greater than the mean or less than the mean. Uh, we can identify that using a normal distribution curve. I will discuss that later. This is the formula of the score. This is the individual score, the mean, and standard deviation. Parehas lang yan sila guys. But we will going to use this one. This is the individual score, the mean, and the standard deviation. This is the normal distribution curve and the standard normal distribution curve. But we will use the normal distribution curve, this one. So this one is the normal distribution curve in Z-score. This is the mean in the middle. This is the positive Z-score and the negative Z-score. So dito natin malalaman kung ang ating individual score is less than sa mean or greater than the mean. Pwede nyong i-copy guys. So may copy kayo sa standard normal curve sa Z-score. Ang itong S is the standard deviation. So now I will give you an example. So now I am going to
Example 1
so
class.
example 1
Test
using
with
this
a mean score
formula.
of 8 marks in a standard deviation of 5 marks.
The distribution is approximately normally distributed. James achieves the
score of 90 marks.
We will
What is
subtract the
score?
individual score and the mean and divided to standard deviation. And that is the result of Z-score. First, we can identify first the individual score. The individual score is 90. That is the score of James, 90. And the mean is 80. As you can see, the mean is 80. And our standard deviation is 5. 5. And now we will find what is the Z-score. But before that, gagamitin muna natin yung standard deviation, normal distribution curve. Bago tayo tutungo dito sa solving. So ngayon ay gagawa tayo ng bell shape, a normal distribution curve. So, ganito. Right, going. The first one is 34%. 34%. Also, on this side, 34%. Dito naman is 13.5%. 13.5%. Also this one, 13.5%. This one is 2.35%. This one is 2.35% also. And the last one is 0.15%. 0.15%. So now, i-identify natin kung ano ang ating mean. So ang mean natin is 80. 80. 80, right? So, 80 tapos ang ating standard deviation is 5. So, we can count 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So, the next is 85. 85, 90, 95. So, dito naman is pababa. 75, 70, and 65. Dito sa kabila, guys, is negative and this one is positive. Para mas lubos nating maunawaan is lalagyan ko dito ng 0, 1, positive ito ha, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So, paano natin malalaman kung saan dito ang score ni James? So, ang score ni James is 90. Nakita niyo ba yung 90 dito? So, ito yung score ni James. 90 at sa baba is positive 2. So, now, na-identify na natin sa normal distribution curve ang score ni James na greater than the mean. So, we will going to solve this one is if makukuha natin siya. Okay? So, now, this is the Z, this is score, the individual score, the mean, and the standard deviation. The individual score, the score of James is 90. Subtract natin sa mean, which is 80. Ang standard deviation naman natin ay 5. 90 minus 80 is 10. Divide naman natin siya sa 5. 10 divide 5. Di ba 2? 2 ang ating sagot. So, tama ang ating normal distribution curve na ang sagot is 2. We have here example number 2. The height of all year 10 students is
So now we will
approximately
go into
normally
solve
distributed.
this one.
The mean height
Example
for the
2.
year level
So,
was
gagamitin pa
168
rin natin yung formula
centimeter
natin,
and
the
which
standard
is
deviation
the
was found to be
individual
8
score,
centimeter.
the mean and
Lisa
standard
has a height
deviation.
of
The first
144
one, we will
centimeter.
identify
What is her
the
height expressed as a z-score?
the individual score, the mean, and also the z-score. The individual score is 144 because that is the Alisa height. That is individual score 144 centimeter, and our mean is 168. 168. And our standard deviation is 8. So now, before we will solve this one, gagawin na naman natin ulit yung normal distribution curve. Normal distribution curve. The bell shape. Okay, the bell shape. This is the 34%, 34%. 34%. The 13.5%, also this one is 13.5%. Is the 2.35%, 0.15%, 2.33, no, 35%, 35%, 0.15%. Okay? So, para lubos natin maunawaan is, lalagyan natin dito ng 0, negative 1, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. This one. This is the mean. So, the mean is 168. We're going to write the 168 down there. So, dahil ang standard deviation natin is 8, so, ano natin, start tayo sa 169 hanggang 169, 170, 171, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176. So our positive 1 is 176. 176. Our positive 2 is 189. Our positive 3 is 192. Our negative 1 is 160. 160, 152, and 144. So this is the mean 168, and this is the positive z-score, and this is the negative z-score. So now we will identify if nakuha ba natin yung 144 dito. Kung greater than the mean ba siya or less than the mean. So nakita ba natin ang 144? Right, nakita natin sa negative 3. Negative 3. So it means that na maliit pa siya sa mean score natin. Maliit ang height talaga ni Lisa dito sa mean na 168. Ngayon ay isolve na natin siya. Ang z-score pa na natin makukuha yung z-score. Kung tama ba na negative 3. Kung tama ba tong negative 3. So now z-score. Individual score. Subtract to mean and divided by divide the standard deviation. So now our individual score is 144. Subtract natin siya guys sa 168 na mean. Tapos i-divide natin siya sa 8. Ngayon ay solve na natin siya. 144 minus 168. So it's 24. Tapos copy lang natin yung standard deviation natin na 8. Tapos dito natin makukuha kung tama ba talaga yung negative 3 dito. Kung makukuha ba natin yung negative 3 dito. 24 divided by 3. Solve nyo. So now ay nakuha talaga natin ang negative 3. So it means na tama yung normal distribution curve na ginawa natin. Negative 3 yung ating z-score.
Example 3, the length of a particular type of ant is approximately normally distributed with a mean length of 4.8 millimeter and a standard deviation of 1.2 millimeter. One of particular ant has a length of 6.8 millimeter.
So now we
What
will
is the
going to
standardized
use
ant length
the z-score formula.
in this score?
So,
Express
familiarize
your
nyo lang
answer
guys na
to
ito yung
two
formula
decimal
ng
places.
z-score.
So, if ever na ang
Now we will
sagot
identify
is
first the
0.5,
individual
so dapat
score,
ang
the
sagot
mean,
niya is
and also the standard deviation.
0.50.
Our individual score is 6.8. Our mean is 4.8. Ang standard deviation naman natin is 1.2. Ngayon, gagamitin ulit natin yung normal distribution curve. As usual, gagamitin talaga natin yan. Dito, gumawa ako ng bell shape pero talaga hindi yan bell shape yung ginawa ko guys. Pero ito siya, example natin. I'll draw this one. So now, this also 34%. Parehas lang lahat yung mga porsyento guys ng ating bell shape. Kahit hindi naman talaga talagang tama yung pagkagawa natin pero yung gagamitin talaga natin is yung sa normal distribution curve which is nakalagay dito is 34%, 13.5%. Also this one is 13.5%. 2.35%. The other one is 2.35%. 0.15%. 0.15%. So now, this is the 0, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. Negative 1, 1, negative 2, negative 3. So nakikita naman natin dito yung mean natin. Ang mean natin is 4.8. So now, isolve na naman natin guys. Paano natin makukuha yung standard deviation natin? 4.8. Yung standard deviation natin is 1.2. So, ang standard deviation natin sa positive to positive 1 na makukuha natin is 6.06. Dito naman is 7.2. Dito sa positive 2 ha, 7.2 dito yan. Dito, 7.2 sa positive 3 naman is 8.4. Dito sa negative 1 is 3.6. 3.6. Sa negative 2 is 2.4. At dito naman is 1.3. 1.3. Ito yan, negative yan dito. Dapat may negative yan. Negative, negative, negative. Negative yan dito, negative. Dapat na may nakalagay dito na negative yan. Yung score papunta dito. Negative, tas dito is positive. So ngayon ay ating, di ba, hindi natin nakuha yung ating individual score na 6.8 kasi hindi naman natin nakita. Ang nakita natin is 6.06. Tapos dito naman is 7.2. So it means that ang z-score ay dito lang banda. Dito. Parang sa gitna ng 6.06 at 7.2. Parang dito. Dito. Lalagyan natin yan. Yan. Parang dito siya ang 6.8. Parang dito. So ngayon, para makuha natin yan, isosolve natin yung formula using this one, z-score. So now, this score, individual score, minus the mean and divided by standard deviation. So ngayon ay, as usual, gagawin natin yung ginawa natin kanina. Our individual score is 6.8. 6.8. The mean is 4.8. And our standard deviation is 1.2. So now, ang z-score natin, dito sa gilid lagay natin. 6.8 minus 4.8 is equal to 2.0. 2.0 tapos 1.2 na naman, i-copy lang natin yung standard deviation. So ngayon, isolve natin yan, yung 2.0 sa 1.2. 2.0 divided by 1.2 is equal to 1.67. So this is our z-score. Z-score natin is 1.68. So it means that ang ating score dito is 1.67. Para mas maunawaan nyo guys, ang individual score is 6.8. Tapos, ang ating mean is 4.8. So, it means that it is greater than the mean. So, ang 6.8 natin is parang nandito lang siya sa above sa 6.06. So, parang nandito yung 6.8. So, bago natin malaman kung ano yung ating positive, ano yung z-score natin is nag-solve tayo para mas malaman natin kung ano yung result. Kaya ang result is 1.67. So, that our z-score is 1.67. For more information, pwede natin i-visit yung YouTube ng Jody Productions. Nandito ay inilahad niya ang z-score, paano makuha yung formula, yung using yung normal distribution curve. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.